Welcome to an overdue tax bill. This is ground affected. My name is Brent, and in today's video, I'm gonna turn the spotlight around back onto my patrons. As you know, in every video I mention a patron. Currently, that patron has one purpose, and that purpose is to give you access to our private Discord. It also helps me keep the lights on, but don't tell anyone. And in that Discord, you will have access to speak to me personally on any projects or any help you need with painting, color mixing, print settings, anything you may need to help with your project. As well as, we've started curating a community of like-minded individuals whose work speaks for itself. Not only is this group of people knowledgeable about printing, they're also really good at painting too. Surprisingly, I've managed to curate a group of people who are almost better than me in most ways. But I digress, and in this video, I'd like to put the spotlight back onto some of those patrons, and I'm going to show you some of the work that is shared within our Discord. And if you're not there, you're just missing out. Now, I know that this video was not the kind of video you're used to seeing on my channel. However, I do feel like these people deserve to be seen. The work that they produce is really great, and I'm super proud to have people like this in my community. If you felt like you want to be part of our community too, you can join at the lowest tier. This gives you access to all the channels. There is helping channels, there's painting channels, printing channels, there's even a meme channel, because even painters need to laugh sometimes. Our group will welcome you with open arms, and between all of us, we'll help sort out most of the problems that people end up having within the hobby. If you feel like you need any help, or you would be happy to be a part of a community where constant help is always at hand, then I think you should join the Patreon. And like I said, you will become part of the community and help will always be at hand. Not only that, but you'll be supporting my channel directly. The other ways you can support the channel are just by liking the video, subscribing, and make sure you put notifications on. If you really like my content and you feel like more people should see it, then perhaps you should click the share button and share it with one of your friends. Sharing a video from a creator does more than you can imagine to help push that video further out to more people. And at the end of the day, all I want is for people to be able to do what I can do, which is not that difficult. And the whole point of my channel is to help people learn and grow in the hobby as well. Now, if I didn't fall and perhaps break my arm, I probably would have made a painting video this week. Unfortunately, I've hurt myself, and so I felt it was the best time to put the spotlight back onto the patrons and the people who have been supporting every video that you've watched that I've made in the last however many months. And hopefully, I'll be able to continue making videos like this into the future. It's with the support and help of the community that keeps me going and helps keep the lights that blind me on. And of course, even though it's a short video, and even though YouTube took away the dislike, if you didn't like it, you can still click the dislike and just f*** off, bruh. Oh my god, my arm hurts.